Nivedita Joshi is here by taking a topic sexual cycle in female and fertilization. This is a topic from class 10th science and the chapter number is chapter 8. Okay, how do organism reproduce? So this is a topic from there because in the previous video I have covered the topic female reproductive system and this is related with the same. So begin with. First of all, we will know what is sexual cycle in female. So what happens at the age of puberty, one of the two ovaries start releasing ovum because you know very well before the puberty stage there is a juvenile stage, okay, and at this stage the sex organs, primary sex organs like ovaries in the female and testis in the male, they become functional one. So what happens in the female, there is a one pair of ovaries and both the ovaries do not work together. Okay, so at a time only one produces the ovum, okay, and other will be at rest, and next time means in the next month the other will come in function and first will come to the rest. So this way the two ovaries they work, means at a time only one ovum or egg that is released from the ovaries, and this release of ovum or egg, this is controlled by the hormone estrogen. And when we say of this cycle, so this cycle lasts about 28 to 30 days and this is repeated, okay, in every 28 to 30 days, and in each cycle only one ovum is released. So this is the way this process occur or this cycle occurs. Okay, now the menstrual cycle. This is one of the event you can say of that cycle, sexual cycle. So this is one of the event. More events are there. So this event takes place and what happens that time, and this whole this menstrual cycle uh, that is controlled by the sex hormones, okay, means in every 28 days this cycle will occur, okay, and uh, means there some changes goes on in the ovaries, fallopian tube and uterus, which is the cyclic one. Okay, and before we go to the process of fertilization in the next slide, we should know the two terms, that is menarche and menopause. Okay, when we say menarche means when this menstrual cycle begins means first time, that we can say commencement of the menstruation is termed as the menarche, and the term menopause means when this cycle is ceased, means stops at the age of 48 or 50 years. So that is called as menopause. Okay, and uh, now the fertilization. Okay, in the human beings internal fertilization takes place. Means fertilization means you know very well, fusion of male and female gametes is called as the fertilization, and fertilization in the human beings, this goes on inside the female's body. Okay, so what happens, sperms they are produced so many in numbers, but only uh, one ovum will be fertilized with the one of the sperms. Okay, so first there is a fusion of nucleus, means ovum nucleus and the sperm nucleus, and this fertilization, process of fertilization, this occurs in the fallopian tube. The other name for fallopian tube is oviduct. So the nucleus fuse and it forms the diploid zygote. Okay, and if the fertilization occurs, then the indication for this is that there would be stoppage of menstruation, and this is a signal. Okay, and if two conditions are there, fertilization may occur or may not. If fertilization occurs, then what happens? The uterine wall that thickens, excuse me, that thickens, and further, after the fertilization, embryo development will occur in the uterus. Here you can get the site. You can see there is a ovary and fallopian tube. So the site of fertilization is fallopian tube, and the site of embryo development is the uterus. Okay, so in the uterus, the embryo development will occur. Now what is placenta? So actually this placenta, this is discoidal in shape. Okay, and actually this is the contact region between the embryo and the uterine wall. Okay, and this contact grows into the structure called as placenta, and there is very important role of placenta. It provides the nourishment and oxygen to the embryo, as well as waste material of the developing embryo, means whatever is produced by the embryo, that is removed by transferring them into the mother's blood through the placenta. Means both the work it does: one, to supply the nourishment, and second, to uh, just collect the waste products also. Now the question arises, if fertilization fails, then what will happen? So you know very well the condition: if fertilization occurs, then embryo development will be followed, but if fertilization fails, then the thick and spongy uterine wall, okay, that will slowly breaks down along with the blood capillaries, and this will cause the bleeding, and this will be continued for 3 to 5 days, and this is called as the menstrual cycle, or the other term is menstruation.